Get for riot. Get for riot. It's too much. That money plenty. No. Let they cut even 5% is better. 10% is there. YouTube get wickedness. So already they cut the money to two. They share 50-50%. It no still do them. They think guys who are small 50% can take 24%. It go better just withdraw the money already this year. I don't even know say I work the money. That must say I don't see the money. I don't already make my progress. Say, I don't try the month. That once the joker withdraw the money. It's not fair. Maybe $119 now they cut for me. Mama, bro, they cut me 437 dirhams. 437 dirhams. I convert that for dollars. No, bro, no. This is not good. No. We'll get to riot. No good. I don't cut down one time contest. I the work how much no. I be see. I not be even small YouTuber. I be under small YouTuber. I the work how much just down one time cut me $100. I know how many videos I go upload. I know how many cost they cost me for the YouTube. Before you they pay me $10, $20 or one video. Now they cast down one time cut 100 and something. And to think say they want the cut on each month. When they not try that to say they cut on each month too. You talk as well, I go check. I want to see them say 400 or something. They say they want to remove 400 or something for my money. Now the same amount to bro, no the laugh. Now the same amount 119.47 or 43 something. Now they cut me. Even for the wicked too. They cut that pay how person work or they just cut that they just cut. Bro, I also only one time they don't cut again after this, so I don't get heart attack. I don't like it to make me get this thing. I be talk this thing, people now you put me inside the shock. Now you because talk it till last time say I want attach my account with the American account. I remember say you advise me say no man no do. I want attach my account with for person for America. The accent even that from the accent to the tax, I want to attach me for America. I don't enter me all the kind of shock. Should I drop this today? No, that now big bro first start crying. No, now if first start crying before I go check my own. I want to say they don't slam me 100. They take you 190. Then why come they take me? I eat the same. I suspect it, you know. I'm not sure that 24% you talk because why they take the same money they take away, the very money they take out for me. I need to understand that part. How come?
My country people wait they say wait they say they be waiting they call me say mama they call me wait I be boss lady. Una never start cry una go wait una go cry and cry. Yes, now man that way they compare himself, it go stand compare himself with who? With the Sheila. Now man that go stand it compare himself with the queen of YouTube. Now you see the cry no. They go cut you thought you be boss lady now. You get money. Why you get for the cry? For small money they cut out for you if you be boss lady. Boss lady, they know that even as small money come up for their account, you know they pinch their skin, you need to do them anyhow. Yeah, so they cry. Oh, Papa God, thank God you make mention say you are just a small. You don't acknowledge the fact. Say you are a sunrise. Granddiver, kudos. My country people, it has but. I say what it has but. Una hear I see they cry now. Una hear I see they cry. Now my just say I get money. In my class. I go pay your rent. Being blanks, I fit take care for you. Now yeah, mommy want take care for people. Man want take care for people. Now they cry. Small money where YouTube they take out for you. Now they cry so. When I see how this social media they do, when I see the pressure, you go to do pepper than things. Yes, they cry. Hey, Papa God. See, me. You see that play remain so. You never even start cry. Oh, you go cry past so. You go do it. You go cry. You say you be boss lady no. Why you get for the pain you? I remember the time where Grindzive post where they for bank it dey pick in money from YouTube. You crazy. He said don't go pick chicken change. They can't make noise. It make noise. Which day they ever hear Zive Sheila can't cry? Say YouTube don't cut the money. You be the work that say they don't cut the tax. They have to cut their money. They get for cut them. Why Papa got a back? I no one laugh. My way they claim it in knock chest. I be boss lady. I be boss this. Every day now for the cry. From 0 point where the other time where they feel cut to. You did make video that they pay you now $0.6. You cry, say chat that money small, how go do it? I know if the losses They don't cut you. Papa got this life. Una know something. You wanna see as I already get, they can't knock chest for media. I get money, I get this. Una hear see the cry for back. Una hear I see the cry for back. Why they cutting money? But a man that they can't knock chest every day, they compare with people. I get this, I get that. Papa got it. Oh, God. And then you can't stand. You compare with a whole grand Sheila. You compare. You compare. Now they follow who know that. Oh, Papa got a back ya. I know if you understand. You get as they do me for body. You get as the thing they do me for body of my country people. Ma, it I go play on the record again more na year. I go play on again more na year as the big the way one of the Pereires it cry say YouTube the cutting money. It don't enter one shock. Yes, my people. Before we go back again for the video them or for the audio the more na year as how Pereire the cry say that the cutting money it no go fit then a man that they can't stand for media, it crush man as a man a charity case. You over poor, you over wretched, you over do this. So they even talk. Papa God, this life not really balanced at all. Like seriously, all this thing are for waiting, only for do pepper them things. You can't stand for media. You crush people. You talk as how you get this, you get that, you get that. You feel show for. But the very way you do all that, so you go straight for back, you they cry. Where they cut you the money. Now. Why they can't stand for me that you do pepper them things? Why? Be satisfied with what you have. In fact, she don't say to us, no, Papa God, I be grateful for what you get them. I'm so happy. I know. In fact, I don't know if I feel really put them. Every day, you there for can't stand. Dirty bed. I pass through. You know if you compare with me, I don't do. Now, yeah, she they cry. Yes, they cry. Yes, my people, before we go back for this thing, I just can't give me no say no. We know always where they play. That's if we just don't quiet. It no mean I say we no one talk. Yes, but this one I just for make I may no say we do it. We know where to where it play. But for those of you we go be now on our very first time, we no hesitate for do it. I don't know the way the subscribers they increase it. Any way they laugh me continue for the laugh but as they laugh me, now so it increase. I just sleep me from my house. I don't woke up, I don't see it no climb. Thank God. Hey, I don't get money for buying subscribers, so now God is doing a miraculous work. Even I not get the view, but I will get the view. Oh, no, say I view the pay no. Yeah, so you never even get for can't stand for your platform. You tell me say that auntie. I don't think say I don't go ever and ever stands at the cost you never. If you the way that see me and miss open up a caution, no, you're wasting your time because no, it go tell say me and you will fight, but I'm not beefing with you. I mean, you will not get no personal issue. It's just social media. So if you like, you carry on for your head. You talk, say you get view past me. I don't give a shit. I don't care. You can do whatever you want. Insult me as you want. I don't care. But me remain for day. I know they for race with anybody. Okay, I'm not there for race with anybody. So if you not like when I laugh me, I not get views. I'm satisfied. I'm happy. I never can beg you. Say me you can't help me for say me my views they increase. No, me the view then for the when it go on start when I go don't decide for say maybe to start the cost like you or like una. It go increase, yes, because I need the insult. That's why it's like that. So me be for the when I go start, it go do it. It go increase. They say. I not get for and if you want me social media pressure they worry you na banga but for me yes I want to make no say me and you need to fight. If you can't stand for your platform you throw it talk them for me don't concern now you but Jonas I no go answer you but the day when you go touch me for some particular place that day you go confirm quote. You go confirm quote the auntie where you talk to this auntie it is suffer from midlife crisis that day you go confirm I go pour all the suffering on top you. You understand me so no? Yes, my people won't no over talk. I just say my I can't play on this small audio. Wanna listen. Best way they can't stand every day for media. They talk as I in my class now. In my class now, dirty girl. I feel pay rent. I feel feed the. Now you see the cry for background now. I go play for na mona here. I see the cry. Now the same person that go can't stand for a platform. It cost Diveshila. Say granddive na a poor girl. Granddive na charity case. Now here I see the cry. Now here I see the cry. Hey, Papa got it. This life so no. Oh we go do it. Oh we go do okay. Yes, my people. Ma play una this audio them again mona. Yeah, wait it play.
No, okay for riot. Okay for riot. It's too much. That money plenty. Aye, no. Let them cut even 5% is better. 10% is YouTube get wickedness. So already they cut the money to 2. They share 50%. You know, still do them. They see guys who are small 50% can take 24%. If you better me, better just withdraw the money, we don't even see a man, don't even know say I work the money. That for say I don't see the money. I don't already make my program. Say, say I don't try the month. That I want see the joker withdraw the money. It's not fair. Maybe $119 now they cut for me. Mama, bro, they cut me 437 dirhams. 437 dirhams. Ma convert them for dollars. No, bro, no, bro, no. This is not good. No. We'll get to riot. No good. How do cut stand one time? Cut person. I the work how much no? I be see. I don't be even small YouTuber. I be under small YouTuber.
My people, una don't hear no. Una don't hear. It be on that small YouTuber. It never even reach the level where you can stand the compare with Grand Jive. Una don't hear no. It be on that YouTuber. Now my sweet that the best part this. Now the best way to the best part better for me I acknowledge the fact that I be a son ripe. I need to compete with anybody. People that can't stand they go knock chest. I'm a big YouTuber. I get a big platform. You go down for back, you cry out your stress. I continue for Namuna year.
Yeah, the work how much just stand one time cost me $100. I know how many videos I go upload. I know how many questions they cost me for the YouTube. Before you say they pay me $10, $20 or one video. Now you can't stand one time cost 100 and something. And to think say they want they got an each month. When they don't try that to say they got an each month too. Ha, you talk as I go check. I want to see the them say 400 or something. I want they say they want to move 400 or something for my money. Now the same amount to bro, no the laugh, no laugh. Now the same amount 119.47 or 43 something. Now they cut me. If people they wicked too, they cut that pay how person work or they just cut that they just cut. Bro, I hope only one time they don't cut again after this. So I don't get heart attack. I don't like what they make me get this thing.
You never even get a heart attack or you go get the heart attack passo. Now man that they can't start the compare for me. I get this, I be boss lady, I be mama. Before you want be your mama, some of us will be don't be mama for that particular place where you did. They used to talk say no carry soldier for up. It is always go to mellow. When you go down, God go lift you up. Yes, no matter the fact that they for them must suffer cypress so my foot are not strong. For down, Mona year and well. I need to compete with no man. No. I need to show off. And I'll never. But if you not push me, then no, una go see the two una the one for do it, una the one for Siam. You dey call yourself say wait, Papa got it. Thank God for me say I dey acknowledge the fact say I be waiting. I be a son ripe. I'm just still struggling to grow. Yes, God, I'm still struggling to grow. I'm not fighting with anybody. I need to can't stand like my chest. I get a platform. No. I'm just still struggling to grow. Una the year no, una continue.
Me I be talk this thing, people now you put me inside the shock now you because I talk it till last time say I want attach my account new with the America account. I remember say you advise me say no man no do I mean I want attach my account new but person there for America the accent even that from the accent to the tax but I just attach me for America. I never enter me all the kind of shock should I drop this today. No, that now big bro first start crying no. Now if first start crying before I go check my own. I want to say they don't slam me 100. They take you 190. They want come they take me in the same. I suspect it, you know. I'm not sure that 24% you talk because why they take the same money they take in the very money they take for me. I need to understand that part. How come?
Yes, my country people, we don't come to the end of this video. I just come and say, I can make more and know which way it play. At times for life, you know, find more always they carry our soldiers and for up because we will carry that soldier for up because one for just can please population, one for just can please some people. They say yes, which would they, but we'll go reach for back with the cry, with the key now, ourselves. We need the key now the public no because the public they don't can listen to you. They did them for their house and they didn't find now you feel the pain. Now you feel all the injuries in you. I hope so now they try to understand me. All this people they can't do pepper them things for media. You need to pay. If you want to do some more do normally, we'll go. If you aren't caution a person, cause you go you. I can't stand for the show off for the one compare. I get this, what you get, you know, get nothing. You go do it, no nothing. Neither understand no. Now wait you now what's so called queen. Neither they cry. Now that you do it, you don't cry say YouTube don't take him money, you don't know what you go do it, you don't enter shock and it be under una the year it be waiting under YouTube. See, Grand Jive, your place day. Yes, your place day. You are see, I may say from now tomorrow and then the next generation. Your place waiting, your place day. Yes, my people. Make I go for now. I go bring up more of those audios. Make una listen. I love you guys so much. I love you guys back to back. See you on my next upload. Stay blessed.